My name is Kim Perry Carter. I am the principal at Valley High School. Ms. Garcia is a very positive person on our campus. In her role as social worker, she makes sure that all of our students and staff have resources available. She is here anytime our students need to have someone to talk to. She has a team of social workers, and they work very closely with our counseling department to meet the needs of not only our students, but our staff as well. Ms. Garcia goes above and beyond. She doesn't just show up at work and leave when her time is over. She stays and she does whatever is needed for our students. She knows that students have to be shown that they're special and have some special attention shown to them so that they can continue to succeed. She works after hours, she works from her home, she does everything that she can to make sure that our students and our staff's emotional needs are met. Sarah Garcia, congratulations on being named Licensed Specialist of the Year.